And so it's actually, this slide is one of the answers, one of the answers to one of the questions that I think I forget the name. Somebody asked as to what is TinyML. TinyML is a library, a compiler, a framework, and platform. It's part of that, and we provide these four things. We are a software company and a firmware company, and there is a hardware component that we partner with other companies. We create end-to-end solutions that are being used in NASA. We're working with NASA. There was a wonderful paper that came out last year. We are also working with US Department of Defense and some of the large commercial vendors to provide beautiful, wonderful applications that would come on, that would make the basis of the future. And it is like TF Lite Micro from Google. If you happen to know Google TensorFlow, there is a version of Google TensorFlow that is created for these devices called TF Lite Micro for microcontrollers. We are better than Google's TensorFlow Lite Micro. We have a similar software compiler called DeepSeek. For some reason, my slides have stopped moving. There you go. Yeah, so this is some of the CPU time and peak RAM comparison. Our platform, the features, and here are the resources. With that, I would like to thank everybody who has listened without sleeping, and please do download the book, and if you like it, go on to the Amazon, provide some review for the community to spread the joy around. Thank you.